So this is our parenting series' last episode. In this short series, I tried to compile the basic parent-child interactions and share the insights around. We'll return to similar genres from time to time, and I have provided the worksheet around this series you can download from the link in the description. Now let's talk about our today's topic, which is community building. So we can never underestimate the impact that can be made by one single person who cares. हमें हमारे बच्चों को सिखाना चाहिए कि they can and do make a difference when they smile at someone who looks sad, or feed someone who is hungry, or reach out to meet a new neighbor. They are adding goodness to the world. Each seed of goodness makes a big difference. The world we want to exist must be planted in the minds of our children. और हमें ये बात भी याद रखनी चाहिए that one determined person can make a significant difference and that a small group of determined people can change the course of history. और इसकी शुरुआत होती है आपसे, यानी कि पेरेंट्स से, क्योंकि आप अपने बच्चे में वो करेज पैदा करते हैं जो कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग के लिए चाहिए होता है. अपने बच्चे को ये सिखाना that it takes great courage to be true to yourself, to go against popular opinion, or to stand up for a cause. It takes courage to face a fear. Courage does not have to be great feat. It can be as simple as saying no. और एक बच्चा ये सब सीखता है by confronting and then working through the things they are afraid to do. Remember last video में हमने modeling the behavior की बात की थी. Exactly my point. हम हमारे बच्चे जैसे चाहते हैं हमें पहले वैसा ही बनना होता है. There's no other way. When they learn to step forward to do something they believe in, even when the fear is still present, they will understand what courage feels like. That is the most necessary part of community building.